So I'm going to talk about comparing of coefficients to complete the three methods. So let's use our example: 5x plus 7, x plus 1, and then x plus 2. So I'm going to split this into two using the two terms. So I will have a numerator a, x plus 1, plus b over x plus 2. So this, I'll make it to the equivalent to the left hand side. So I'll take a multiply x plus 2 plus b multiply x plus 1, and then I will have x plus 1 and then x plus 2. So my concern are the numerator, how to compare them. So I will expand this to have ax plus 2a plus bx plus b. So I'm going to group the one that have x together. So I will have a plus b, we have x, then plus 2a plus b. So this will be equivalent to 5x plus 7, will be equivalent to a plus b x, because they have x common, then plus 2a plus b. And look at what is going to happen. The ones that have x, I'll equate them. So I'll have 5x will give me a plus b with the x. So the x will cancel the x. So I'm going to have that my 5 will be equals to a plus b. This becomes equation 1. The ones without x, which are constant, 7 with 2a plus b will go together. So 7, 2a plus b will give me equation 2. So you see the method of comparing coefficients will lead us to most times simultaneous equation. So I can eliminate. So from my equation 1, my b will be 5 minus a. So I'll put it in equation 2. So I will have 7 equals 2a plus 5 minus a. So 2a minus a will give you just a, and then 5 minus 7 will give you 2. So you can see that my a is equals to 2. How do I get my b? My a is 2, my b will be 5 minus 2, and that is 3. So you can see that a is 2, and then b is 3. So if I substitute them into this fraction, I'll be having 5x plus 7 divided by x plus 1, and then x plus 2. So my a is 2, which is x plus 1, plus my b is 3, which is x plus 2. So I'm using this same compound fraction for the three methods, so that you see that whichever method you use, you will see arrive at the value of a to be 2 and b to be 3.